The L60 Pro Ultra robot vacuum and mop represents the latest generation of intelligent home cleaning technology, bringing together powerful vacuuming, advanced mopping, smart navigation, and automated maintenance in one complete package. Designed for modern households, this robotic cleaning system aims to reduce the amount of time and effort required to keep floors spotless while delivering professional-level cleaning performance every day. One of the most impressive aspects of the L60 Pro Ultra is its extraordinary 35,000 pascals suction power. This high-performance suction system is engineered to capture everything from fine dust particles to larger debris, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience across multiple floor types. Whether you have hardwood flooring, ceramic tiles, laminate surfaces, or thick carpets, the robot is capable of removing dirt efficiently while maintaining strong and consistent cleaning results. For homes with pets, daily cleaning can often feel like a never-ending task. Pet hair accumulates quickly, especially on carpets and under furniture, making it difficult to maintain a clean living environment. The L60 Pro Ultra is built to handle these challenges with ease. Its powerful suction helps lift embedded pet hair while collecting dust and allergens, creating a cleaner and fresher home environment. This makes it an ideal option for pet owners who want to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying their homes. Vacuuming is only part of the story. The L60 Pro Ultra also incorporates an advanced mopping system designed to deliver superior floor care. Unlike traditional robotic mops that simply wipe surfaces with a damp cloth, this model features a self-cleaning hot water mop system. The use of heated water helps break down stubborn dirt, dried spills, and grime more effectively than standard mopping methods. As a result, floors not only appear cleaner, but also receive a deeper level of cleaning throughout the process. The intelligent mopping technology is supported by a self-cleaning mechanism that keeps the mop pads fresh and ready for continued operation. Instead of requiring frequent manual washing, the system automatically manages much of the maintenance process, reducing the amount of work required from the user. This focus on automation contributes to a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Another standout feature is the integrated auto-empty station. One of the biggest inconveniences associated with robotic vacuums is the need to regularly empty small onboard dust bins. The L60 Pro Ultra eliminates much of this hassle by automatically transferring collected debris into a larger storage compartment located within the docking station. This allows users to go significantly longer between maintenance sessions while ensuring the robot remains ready for future cleaning tasks. The convenience offered by the auto-empty function becomes especially noticeable over time. Rather than interacting with the robot after every cleaning cycle, homeowners can simply allow the system to manage waste collection automatically. This helps transform robotic cleaning from a useful gadget into a truly low-maintenance household appliance. Navigation technology plays a critical role in determining how effectively a robot vacuum performs, and the L60 Pro Ultra utilizes advanced mapping and obstacle detection systems to maximize cleaning efficiency. Through intelligent sensors and smart navigation software, the robot can recognize and avoid common household obstacles such as charging cables, shoes, toys, furniture legs, and other items that may obstruct its path. This obstacle recognition capability helps reduce interruptions while improving overall reliability. Instead of becoming trapped or tangled during operation, the robot can navigate around obstacles and continue cleaning with minimal supervision. This is particularly beneficial in busy family homes where objects are frequently left on floors. The robot's smart mapping technology allows it to learn the layout of your home and create efficient cleaning routes. Rather than moving randomly, the L60 Pro Ultra follows organized cleaning patterns that ensure comprehensive floor coverage. This optimized approach not only improves cleaning results but also helps conserve battery power, allowing the robot to clean larger areas more effectively. The design of the L60 Pro Ultra reflects its premium positioning within the smart home market. Finished in an elegant black color, the robot presents a sleek and sophisticated appearance that complements contemporary interiors. The docking station is equally stylish, creating a modern cleaning solution that looks at home alongside other smart devices. Smart connectivity features add another layer of convenience. Through mobile app integration, users can schedule cleaning sessions, customize cleaning preferences, create virtual boundaries, designate restricted zones, and monitor cleaning progress remotely. These smart controls make it easy to tailor the robot's operation to suit individual lifestyles and household requirements. The combination of ultra-powerful suction, intelligent obstacle avoidance, self-cleaning hot water mopping, automated dust disposal, and smart home integration positions the L60 Pro Ultra as a highly capable cleaning solution. Instead of dedicating valuable time to routine floor maintenance, homeowners can rely on advanced automation to maintain cleanliness on a consistent basis. For busy professionals, growing families, pet owners, and technology enthusiasts, the L60 Pro Ultra offers a practical way to simplify everyday life. By automating both vacuuming and mopping tasks, it helps maintain cleaner floors while reducing the burden of manual cleaning. Its advanced features work together to create a more efficient, convenient, and enjoyable home cleaning experience. As robotic cleaning technology continues to evolve, devices like the L60 Pro Ultra demonstrate how intelligent automation can transform ordinary household chores. With its powerful performance, innovative features, and user-focused design, this robot vacuum and mop provides a compelling solution for anyone seeking a smarter and more efficient approach to home cleaning.